sections 9.1 and 9.2 are on systems of linear equations. So the solution to a system of linear equations is the x value and the y value that work in both equations. And we're going to be looking at 4 different methods for solving these systems. So I actually want to look at just one system of equations and then solve it by all 4 methods. So we should get the same answer every single time. Okay, so the substitution method, I like to really write this with colors. So I'm going to rewrite it with 2 different colors. Okay, so my first step is I need to isolate one of my 4 different variables. And the easiest one to isolate is this one because it doesn't have any coefficient in front of it. So I need to add 4y to both sides. My next step is to substitute this into the other equation. So that's really where it gets the name substitution method. So I'm going to have my top equation with the other equation plugged in. Okay, so at this stage, when you're doing the substitution method, you should only see one variable here, one type of variable. So you could see different colors if you're using different colors like me, but you should either see all y's or all x's. So if you see both x's and y's, then something's gone wrong. Okay, so I need to solve this. And then I need to combine like terms. And then solve for y. Okay, so I have y is equal to 1. So then my last step is to get x, and I can plug in y into either one of the original equations or my equation that I've rearranged. And I'm actually going to plug it into the equation that I've rearranged because I'm solving for x. X is already by itself, so it's actually the easiest one to plug in. But any one of the originals you can plug it into. And you'll get 2. So we like to express the answer as an ordered pair. So my final answer will be 2, 1.